Welcome to math class, where today we're going to be converting point slope form into slope intercept form. We will be using method 2. So method 2 comes from our notes. You should have this page of notes. If you have not already watched method 1, please go back and watch the method 1 video. Method 2 involves just solving for b, whereas in method 1 we were solving for y. So method 2 is solving for b, and what that means is that we're going to substitute a known point and the slope into the form y equals mx plus b. Rather than plugging it into point slope form, we're going to plug the given point and the slope into y equals mx plus b, and then we're just solving for b in order to write the equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, because now that you'll have slope of m and you're going to be given the y-intercept of 0, b. So what that involves is taking the point x1, y1 and slope of m, and we're instead of putting y equals mx plus b, we're going to put y1 equals mx1 plus b. Okay. The next step is we're going to subtract mx1 from both sides. So we're subtracting mx1. Now keep in mind, y1 is a value, m is a value, and x1 is a value. So we're simply subtracting one number from another, which is just a quick way of getting to our b value. So the final solution for b is literally taking b is equal to negative mx1 plus y1, which is the same solution we found when we plugged the point in for point slope form and then just simply solve for b. So let's practice doing that here. So example 1, we have the exact same equation, the exact same point and slope that we had from the first example in method 1. So we're going to go ahead and apply this into method 1. Instead of point slope form, we're going to do y equals mx plus b. And then we're just going to substitute our values that we know. We know we have x1, we know we have y1, and we know how we have b. We don't have b, we have m. Now, the difference in point slope versus slope intercept. In slope intercept form here, we do not need to change the values. We're going to keep the values as they are. So this is going to actually stay as 8. The m is still -5. The x is going to be -3. We are not changing the values like we do in point slope form. And then plus b. Now we can go ahead and quickly resolve this. We have -5 times -3. That's going to be 15 plus b is equal to 8. Then we're going to subtract 15 from both sides. And as you can see, we have a number minus a number in this case. And we're going to be left with 7 is equal to b, which tells us now that our equation is y equals mx plus b. Okay, well, what about in example 2? Example 2, we have y plus 7 equals -5 halves x minus 4. Well, they did not give us the y-intercept. They didn't tell us outright what the point is, but we do know what the slope is. That's the nice thing about this. But what I can do is pull the point out. So remember, when you push the point in, you change the sign. So when you pull the point out, we're going to change the sign again. So the point that we're going to be working with is 4, -7. And our slope is -5 halves. Okay. All we're going to do is plug it into slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b. We're going to substitute our known values in of -7, -5 halves, and 4. Okay. And that's going to be equals and plus b. Now, the 4 and the 2, they're going to reduce to 2 over 1. -5 times 2 is -10 is equal to -7. So -10 plus b was -7. We're going to add 10 to both sides. Don't know what that's about. Add 10. And we're going to get 3 is equal to b. So the final form of this equation from y plus 7 equals negative 5 halves of x minus 4 can be rewritten as y equals negative 5 halves x plus 3. Thank you for watching.